So, you remember Hercules? He's wiggly today, but he's real big. He's a Hulk son. Yeah, he's a dad now too. He's big though still. So this is Dynasty. He actually has some puppies coming too. Hulk son. He's big. He's colorful. He's not wiggly today. That's good. This is Kobe. Hulk son. Y'all know him. He's pretty big. This is Amazon. Hulk's brother. One of my secret weapons. You'll be seeing him a lot. He's a pretty big puppy. How old is he? Not even a year. This is Netflix. Hulk's son. He's a puppy. How old are you, buddy? 5 months? 4 months? We don't even know. He's big. This is Kong. He's a Hulk son too. He's huge. No, but he's probably gonna be Hulk's biggest son. So, have a look. Those subwoofers, bro. Man, so how often are you gonna see this right here?
I know. Cacabase!
Enter. Face. Enter. Face. Reverse. Here. Here. Sit. Enter. Forward. Face. Up. Life. 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 Reverse. Face. Out. Is that your first time ever standing and you're standing right next to Hulk? You've never stood before. He just taught you how to stand? He just taught you how to what? Yeah, he's magical. He's got powers, you see. Look at this puppy here. What? Lisa, you just have a puppy in your pocket? Bro, you just learned how to stand right now? We just literally recorded your first stand ever. We got it on film. It's you and Hulk together, standing up. Whoa, the size of that mouth, huh? Going back down? Look at that guy. Wow, I'd say the same thing. What a good boy Hulk is. He's so gentle. He's so gentle.
But look what that shit did to Hammer. God damn it, I like it. Bright lights is enticing.
Sad little lead. You just whoops. You just lounging on a Sunday with the big guy? He's like, yeah, check this guy. He's so big. Yeah, he's famous. Check us. Whoa!